I will call you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture, let's go ahead and look at pointer to array. So pointer, just know that you must introduce X so that it can balance. Alright, so whenever you see X introduced, then we are talking about pointer. So you can talk about pointer in so many things in C++. So in array, we have pointer in array. And in color function, we have learned on how to color function using pointer. And the pointer is also a case study alone on its own in C++. So when we are talking about pointer, we are trying to talk about assigning an address of the first element of an array. Okay, so when we talk about pointer to an array, you're talking about assigning the address of the first element of the array. Let's say, for instance, you have an array of, let's say, double X P. Alright? Let's say double X P, and you also have double of array hello. And let's say hello has an array of 7. Then it means that if you assign P to be equal to hello, that means that you are going to assign the address of the first element of the array. Okay, so you assign the address of the first element of the array hello to P. Okay, so however you can, let's say, you can access array element using pointer. Not necessarily it must be P. It can be any other stuff of your own choice. It can go ahead and say P plus 1, then X P plus 2, and so on. So you can access all these. Alright, now let's go ahead and write a simple code that you help us to understand what the pointer to array does, because this is really a little bit difficult for beginners at the first time to understand what pointers to array, what they actually do. But let's go ahead and write a code, and I believe that from here we can now kick off and move up into understanding these. So let's say we have double hello array, and is an array of 7 elements, and these 7 elements are, let's say, 200.7. The next one is 46.9, because this is double, and next one is 7.0, and next one is 54.3. Then we have 24.0, and how many? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remaining just 2 more, 5.5, and let's say the next one is 1002.9. So go ahead and put a semicolon. So this is array of 7 elements that we have here. Now we are going to create a pointer. It's a pointer of X P, or any other name of your own choice. X P. Now we're going to assign the address of the fourth element of the array hello to P. And to do that, you go ahead and say P is equal to hello, and put a semicolon at the end. So we have to now output each element, or each of the array elements value. So to do that, you go ahead, let's go below here, and say, using a for loop, we are going to also declare some other variables of int x and y and put a semicolon. Then let's go ahead and say x is equal to 0 plus semicolon, then x less than 7 plus semicolon, and x increment. So want to output p first of all, so cout, we go ahead and say x for the pointer, then p plus n, go ahead and print out the values of x, and then you go ahead and close that. Go ahead and close that and put a semicolon at the end. Put a semicolon at the end. Then cout. We need to print out these. Okay, so we need to print out this x pointer p plus x for a semicolon. Now so we have to run this code to print the array values using the pointer. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on run, and it's gonna print out the array values. You see there? I think this moves to the next line. Let's make this to be on just one straight line. Okay, close this. So let's go ahead and remove this from here. Remove this from here. Go ahead and cut everything right here and press T here. Okay, I removed this one from here. And that is all. Go ahead and run this code again and check it out. So everything will print out on a single line. So you can see, let's check. First check this with that. We have the pointer p plus 0 is 200.7, you can see that, and 46.9 printer, and 7, 54.3, 24.0, 5.5, and 1002.9. Translate that the array of the pointer moves all these and printed out the whole values of the arrays using the address of the first element, because you have assigned p to be equal to hello. And that is why we put p plus x, and it was able to print out the whole result. Alright, so I believe this is a little bit confusing for beginners who have not had knowledge, but we're going to look more on pointers so that you can be able to understand what pointer actually does in C++ and in your code. Alright, so for now, put this on your system, play around with it and check it out. And in case you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video.